Hi there. I'm trying to pre-fill the DNS records in advance so that email is seamless when I transition a WordPress site from an external to SiteGround. So what I've done is in the DNS records, I've removed all references to text and MX records. I've kept the default domain key. That's the only one that I've kept, and I've kept all of these A records. Now if I come into these are the existing records, and I'll be changing the name servers here. I'm currently trying to enter the first MX record, so it's maximinternational.com.au, and this is a third-party email provider. So so long as these details were retained, the email should be seamless. I can't figure out why. If I come up to here, I'm trying to add a new MX record, and it says leave empty for root domain. It's maximinternational.com.au here. If I go over this, it's .maximinternational, whereas on the other one it's just maximinternational.com.au . So do I leave that empty, and is that the same as this one? That's the first question. The time to live was 14,400, which was 4 hours. I can only choose 2 or 5 hours, so I've chosen a time to live of 2. Priority 10 because that's the number there. I guess that's the priority. And when I enter this destination, which is the actual destination, it says invalid domain name, so I can't create it. So that's kind of my question at the moment. If you could let me know where I'm going wrong, that'd be great. Okay, great. Cheers.